Na na na. Sunrise slow behind me thought. Clarity thought. Me clear space inside me head. Light spread, doubt dead. Too much noise try crowd me view. Me feel that true. Me not consume every fear them sell. Me break spell. Me got me thoughts like sacred place. Mental space. Me feed my mind with what build, not what kill. Knowledge nourish, wisdom grow. In our glow, me reduce clutter, sharpen sight. Make day bright. Mindful of light, clear and free. Let me be. Mindful of light, guide me way every day. We choose thought like seed in soil, carefree toil. What me water is what me read. Come as king, me not wait. Long in shadow zone, me move on. When doubt knocks off a door, me shine more. Confidence born from clarity. Inner security. Like bow and fear release. Mental peace. Mindful of light, steady glow, overflow. Mindful of light, calm and strong, all along. Even when night covers sight, me mind stay light. Oh. Na, 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 Jamaica low and the moon, ancient tune, heartbeat sync with the rhythm pole, story told. Me feel past move through me vein, not in vain. Every step carry memory, history. Me nah need map fi know me road, me soul code. Pulse remind we where me stand, connected land. Time may change, face and name, but beat same. Me hear wisdom without word, ancient herd. Ancient pulse, steady sound, all around. Ancient pulse, strong and slow, let it flow. Me listen when drums speak low, teach me so. Guidance come through vibration, no translation. Me move in sync with natural law. Oh. and rush can't drown the beat. It repeat. No matter age or trend pass through, we'll stay true. From first breath to last step, pulse kept. Ancient pulse, deep and wide inside. Ancient pulse, guide me through, ever true. When silence fall and drum rest, all still blessed. Sky but narrow aim, different game. Me move free yet discipline. Align. Freedom now mean drift around, lost and bound. Me choose direction, not delay. Clear way. Protect Christ's light, sacred flame. No shame. Focus, keep me wings in line, so me shine. Me cut distraction clean and neat, stay complete. Me invest energy with care. Loud and bright, flashy sight. Me step aside, me hold me lane, sustain. Me no scatter what me build slow, steady grow. Discipline free me from regret, see it's vain. Intentional each day, focus way, balance, burn freedom wide, open eye, free but focused, steady days, own space, free but focused, rise and stand where me belong. rooted tone. Me no flex, prove me might. Me hold me ground day and night. Pressure come in many form, heat and storm. Words fly fast like broken glass. Me let them pass. Me learn silence stronger than shout. Strength inside, not out. Me see many crack on the load, lose them code. Me build core before display, quiet way. Me no rush response or reply, me verify. Patience give me solid frame, endure flame. Steady like stone, firm and calm, no harm. Steady like stone, hold me place in our grace. Me not chase approval song, me self-harm. Time test everything them show. Me know what real stand after wave retreat. Solid feet stand can be pan surface skin, scratch and spin. Whoa, but core remain untouched, never crash. Stillness heavier than force, natural core, steady like stone, deep and wide inside. Steady like stone, still remain sun or rain. When those sacred truth reveal, stand still real.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is higher man. Oh. Through the valley soft and clear, voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper bold and true, voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground, voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody, voice of mercy set us free. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Traveler stop and lift his head, voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way, voice of love begin to play. Storm may come and thunder roar, voice of peace remain in store. Every note of prophecy, voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon the stone, voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far, voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field, voice of hope the earth revealed. Every whisper bold and right, voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone, voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme, voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay, voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free, voice of mercy victory. generation, hear the call. Voice of peace, embrace us all. Even mountain, bow to sound. Voice of love, shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new. Voice of justice, shining through. Generation, sing along. Voice of wind, compose the song. Every culture, every land. Voice of mercy, hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone. Voice of truth, forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true. Voice of Zion, shine for you. Never ending, never small. Voice of wind, embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free. Voice of love, eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high. Voice of mercy, fill the sky. Everlasting, old and new. Voice of Zion, carry through. Blue, blue, strong and wide. Voice of wind, remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody. Voice of love, eternity. Voice of wind, bold and true. Carry your message for me and you. Never fading, never fall. Voice of mercy, guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free. Voice of truth, eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new. Voice of Zion, shining true. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. From early dawn me feel the roar. Strength awakening like never before. Heartbeat drum inside me chest. Jah energy put me to the test. Me walk through valley full of doubt, but courage rise and drown them out. No system trick me not today. Me mind stay firm, me spirit sway. The world can shake and twist around, but lion heart keep solid ground. Me meditate and hold me calm. Storm can break a rasta palm. Me see people seek validation, lost inside the complication. Me whisper truth fi help them rise. Show them strength, live not them eyes. The rhythm guide me through the nights. Teach me how fi use me voice. Me chant fi uplift every soul. Unity forever be the goal. Lion heart echo, roaring through the night. Guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart forever stand tall. Lion heart echo, blazing like a flame. Power in the roots, strength in your name. Me elders teach me long ago. Stand firm when wicked winds are blow. Me hold that wisdom every day. Shape me steps along the way. Faith give reason fi endure. Make me vision clean and pure. No weakness hold me not again. Just strength ripple through me vein. People gather fi this sound. Positive vibration spread around. Me chant and see the crowd uplift. Every heartbeat start to shift. Music heal what pain divide. Bring the community side by side.
Lion spirit shine so bright, turn darkness into light. Fire blaze but love still flow. Courage everywhere me go. No cloud can hide the inner glow. Lion truth forever show. Yeah. Lion heart echo, roaring through the night. Guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart forever stand tall. Lion heart echo, blazing like a flame. Power in the roots, strength in Jah name. So when the night feel deep and long, remember the lion inside is strong. Hold the roar and keep it true. Brave vibration live in you. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. No ganja with Zion, yeah, man. Listen the drum, the ancient beat. Heart of Jah can't skip a beat. Me feel it deep within me chest. Jah love manifest. Me close me eyes, me hear the tone. Me never alone. Me see the people torn apart, but love still start. Me sing for the broken one, cause Jah love shine like sun. The system cold and cruel, but me heart still rule. Rasta live for unity through community. Me walk with the humble man, help when me can. Me share the last bread me own. Me never alone. Every smile me give today, chase pain away. The rhythm call me name, Jah flame. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. Me see the wicked plot and plan, but just still stand. Me no hate, me no fight. Me hold the light, me teach the youth for care. Fi always share, Rasta no sleep. Me watch, love me match. Me chant under the moon bright. Feel the light, me hear me ancestors on. Better days fi come, me lift my voice for truth. Me guide the youth, every heartbeat same. In Jah name, we one family, one sound. Jah love performance, no difference here. All equal clear. One heartbeat, one soul sound. Love keep we bound. No color, no race divide. Jah love inside. One heartbeat, strong and pure. Love endure. Together we rise and sing. Peace within everything. So when the silence falls, me still hear it call. One heartbeat, true. Shall live in me and you. God bless the people, yeah, man. Yeah. Me rise before the sun, silence in the air. Wrap me dread, wash me face, chant a little prayer. Ganja leaf in a hand, heart in a calm. Me step in a nature, far from harm. Birds a sing, breeze a blow. Me sit on a rock where cool rivers flow. Me burn one, give thanks to Jah. For life, for breath, for every star.
Secret fire,
blaze it high. Chant down illusion, reach the sky. Sacred fire, burn them light. Truth arise and Babylon cry. Sacred fire, cleanse the soul. In a Zion flame we feel all. Me listen deep to me heartbeat drum. Ancient call from where me roots come from. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me chase wisdom, real Rasta aim. Meditation, deep like sea. Mystic rhythm running through me tree. Smoke curl like spiral sign. Me vision bright, me soul aligned. Oh Jah, guide me step from concrete stress to mountain depth. Me inhale breath, exhale fear. Me feel your presence, Jaja name. Fire, blaze it high. Rasta light never die. Sacred fire, still my mind. Inner peace is what I find. Sacred fire, show the way. One love, one heart every day. She sit beside I, eyes so close. Hands on heart, her spirit glows. Together we chant, together we feel that real love, that Rasta seal. Children gather, elders we beat the drum till Babylon done. Sacred flame in every song. We burn illusion, we stay strong. This fire no burn skin, it burns sin, ego and lie within. It show you who you are, from earth to star, from near to far. Sacred fire, carry we home. In a Zion, we freely roam. Smoke rise, mind clear. One love, one life, Jah always near.
God bless the people, yeah, man.
Oh, run. High above the midnight sky, star of justice never die. Every glimmer, bold and true, star reveal what man must do. Babylon shadows try to hide, star of justice still will guide. Shining bright with holy flame, star exalt the righteous name. Pilgrim look and find the way, star of justice light the day. Every road help them find every sparkle pure and bright. Star of peace guide through the night. Warrior lay the weapon down. Star of justice take the crown. Every battle soon will cease. Star of mercy shine in peace. Babylon fortress fade away. Star of truth reveal the day. Every nation come to see. Star of justice victory. Whoa, hey. Teacher speak with wisdom clear. Star of justice draw us near. Every lesson strong and right. Star of Zion give the sight. No more hatred, no more pain. Star of peace forever reign. Every glow a holy sign. Star of justice still divine. Morning come, the light still strong. Star of justice sing the song. Generations lift them hand. Star of truth across the land. Everlasting, never fall. Star of mercy guide us all. Sacred fire, bold and free. Star of justice victory. Eternal beacon shining bright. Star of justice rule the night. Never fading, never gone. Star of Zion still live on. Glorious flame forever pure. Star of truth will still endure. Everlasting, bold and free. Star of justice shine for me. Shine, shine, bright and clear. Star of justice draw us near. Rise, rise, holy flame. Star of truth exalt your name. Star of justice, bold and bright. Guide the people through the night. Never fading, never fall. Star of mercy shine for all. Forever glowing, strong and free. Star of justice victory. Sacred fire, pure and true. Star of Zion light for you.
Sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around, every leaf a story tell. Sacred tree remember well, Babylon fire can't consume. Sacred tree forever bloom, children play beneath the shade. Sacred tree where peace is made, elders sit and chant a song. Sacred tree keep people strong, not in palace, not in throne. Sacred tree forever known, every fruit a gift from Jah. Sacred tree uphold the law. Sing upon the limb, sacred tree a righteous aim. River flow beside the root, sacred tree bear holy fruit. Generations come and go, sacred tree still grow and grow. Never bending, never gone, sacred tree keep carrying on.
the tree of Zion cling, not of timber, not of gold. Sacred tree the prophet stole, every shade a place of rest. Sacred tree protect the blessed, Babylon plan can't destroy. Sacred tree bring joy, children climb and mothers pray. Sacred tree show righteous way, fathers chant and nations bow. Sacred tree forever now, from creation till today. Sacred tree guide every way, everlasting, strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree. Grow, sacred root, bearing fruit of holy truth. Rise, branches high. Sacred tree reach the sky. Sacred tree of Zion land, planted by the holy hand. Fruit of life, shade of peace. Sacred tree where war shall cease. Forever standing strong and free. Zion root in sacred tree.
No, gonna na da, no, gonna na da, na ganja is the natural medicine, yeah, man. From the hilltop me chant, me no want, me no flaunt, me sing for the people, oh. Let the whole world know, freedom echo wide. Jah by my side, my voice rise from the dust full of trust. Me no bow to oppression and me stand. Me sing for justice true, me sing for you, every word me chant. Break ignorance plan. Me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. My rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud, lift the crowd. Voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away. New day. Feel a fire, still me higher. Me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak, every note me send above. Filled with love, Rasta guide my way. Night and day. Me no silence me sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage, across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again. Heal the pain, me sing for the voiceless still. Jah will, me call the youth for unite. Hold the light, Voice of freedom cry, lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live, so me give. Voice of freedom strong, sing all night long, till the pain fade away. New day. and remain through joy and pain.
Sunrise paint the sky in gold. My spirit call me heart unfold. Every breath a blessing true. Every part reveals something new. Me walk the lane where breeze feel cool. Mind stay sharp like ancient tool. The elders whisper from the trees. Stand firm, youth, move with ease. Me sight the mountains from afar, shining bright like a guiding star. Every stone beneath my feet carry stories deep and sweet. Me see the youth, them search for hope. Try climb life's slippery slope. Me tell them hold the vision clear. No let doubt control your fear. The world change fast, the days move quick, but strong foundation never sick. When we unite, the vibe rise high. Lift the spirit toward the sky. Golden steps on the road we trod. Lift the heart and honor Jagad. Walk with peace, don't lose your way. Shine your light through night and day. Golden steps carry soul so far. Every life a blazing star. Hold the strength, hold the vibe. Let the love inside you thrive. Me trot through valleys deep and wide, but courage always walk beside. No storm can shake the roots me grow. Me stand tall even when wind blow. Truth remain the strongest guide. Hold your fire deep inside. One step more, the future rise. Hope reflect in every eye. Me reach a town where people gather. Reason about life and what truly matter. Children laugh, musicians play. Spread pure joy through every day. Harmony float like river stream. Fill the land with a shining dream. Blessings fall like morning rain. Wash away every hidden pain. Take a step, breathe it in. Every loss, prepare for win. Every seed beneath the sun soon shall rise when time come. Draw guiding steps on the road we trod. Lift the heart and honor Jagad. Walk with peace, no lose your way. Shine your light through night and day. Draw guiding steps carry soul so far. Every life a blazing star. Hold the strength, hold the vibe. Let the love inside you thrive. So walk proud wherever you go. Let your inner lantern glow. Golden steps forever guide. Keep the truth by your side. Jada, Jada.
Ay, 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 ay. Kaya and meditate, your man. Me walk alone pan a path of stone. Far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity. Just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. Inna the quiet I grow, like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone, cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to their conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time fi study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me root strong. Inna the quiet I grow, Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at your gate. Inna the quiet I know, everything Jah make just so. Me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath, me give thanks. Me walk alone, but me full of ranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. Inna the quiet I grow. Me nah chase what them show. Me nah dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. Inna the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I, far from loud. In a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. In a the silence, Jah blessing flow.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Song of Zion, rise so sweet. Heaven melody complete. It fill the air, it fill the sky. Zion song will never die. It heal the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song, Jah art. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song, keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song, eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song, Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song eternal, never end. Zion song, Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow. Zion song always show. Forever holy, strong and free. Zion song destiny. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion song Jahan. When the trumpets sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion song show Jah way. Eternal singing bright and long. Zion song, Jah song. Sing high, sing free. Zion song, eternity. No chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion song still carry on. Sing high, sing free. Zion song, eternity. No chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song, pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse, eternal flame. Zion song, exalt your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion song still carry on.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Nation, yeah, man. Me step on lion path again. No fear, no chill. Every breath I am, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Hey. Me climb mountain, me cross sea. Jah walk with my face trial, my face storm, but my spirit warm. Me heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can swear. Me charge away. Me see the snake whisper lies, still me fly. Me see them plot in a dark, me spark. Me wear truth like crown, never bow down. Each step me take bold, my soul gold. The lion roar inside, my soul keep control. Me no crawl pan belly for man, me follow Jah plan. Me move with humble pride, spirit guide. No fear of the night, me walk with light. Me learn for watch and wait, me no tempt fate. The lion part rough still, but strong will. Me stand when others fall, jackal. Me carry my truth alone like stone. Yeah, on the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so wide, Jah by my side. Yeah, on the lion path me stay, night or day. Faith and courage me wear, Jah always near. Me rest by the ancient
Revelation 3, hear the prophecy, my spirit connect with ground. Holy sound, the breeze carry my pain away, my praise can't tell story true, what me been through. Me rise each time me fall, jackal, the lion inside no sleep, this promise keep, me guard my mind from sin, strength within, every roar I praise. Jaways, me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky, me roar it truth and might. Jah light, me see the wicked tremble up, them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta reign. Me no turn back for none, me done way. On the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow, through valley deep and sky so wide. Jah by my side, way. On the lion path me stay, night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near, way. So when me reach Zion gate, me celebrate. On the lion path me find peace of mind.
Aye, aye, aye. Spliff deep in a this sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name, forever blow, pure and free. Zion wind eternity. Zion wind strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound, Zion wind all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion wind called your name, forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind for you and me, eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind bring Jah breeze. It sing the song, it spread the word. Zion wind always heard, forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. Strong and wide, Zion wind the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion wind of holy birth, eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind keep it strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion wind still remain, forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion wind strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound, Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn, Zion wind forever born. Blow strong, blow high, Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion
true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound, Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn, Zion wind forever born. Nah, Zion. Reggae music, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Me wake before the break of dawn. Hear Jah whisper, carry on. The world still weep, the system cold, but me story must be told. Me feel the fire in my chest. Truth refuse fear rest. Jah flame burn pure and bright. Guide me through the night. Them try to silence the righteous word, but me voice must still be heard. Every chain them build me break. Every lie me overtake. Me tread the valley, me climb the hill. Still me chant Jah will. From dust me come, to light me go. Redemption overflow. Me see the people searching still for peace against the wicked will. Them tired of war, them tired of pain. Them call Jah name again. Me bring the message through this song. Love are the force that keep we strong. Me chant for the lost, the blind, the meek. Jah justice them seek. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free. Forever guiding me. Me see the wicked crumble down like castle made of sand and crown. The humble rise, the truth reveal. Jah love are the seal. Me see the children learn the way. Me see the elders kneel and pray. Inna the smoke of sacrifice, me find paradise. Them can't stop the flame inside. Rastafire can't hide. It burn for justice, burn for peace, till Babylon release. Me trod with heart so full of grace. Me see Jah in every face. No weapon strong enough to kill. Jah fire still. When the darkness start to close, me remember what me chose. Not gold, not fame, not crown, but truth that never drown. Me see the signs, me read the sky. Freedom draw nigh. Fire of redemption light the road. Carry me heavy load. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Lift the nation to the sky. Burn away the hate and greed. Plant the righteous seed. Fire of redemption pure and clean. Wash the soul, keep it serene. Jah light within, me spirit free. Forever guiding me. Fire still burning, soul still bright. Guided by the ancient light. Every heart that seek the way, find Jah in the day. No evil plan can tear we down. We wear love like a crown. Fire of redemption never cease. Bring
fire keep it strong. Love forever long. Jah blaze eternal flame. Redemption call me name. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Morning sun, rise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing, melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain, when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see. Right of the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. Jah love for all. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street, morning sun guide the feet. Elder preach you them learn. All hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No yeah, no fear, no shame. Just glory in Jah name. Right up the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. Jah love for all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again, wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song, together we rise, we stand strong. Jah love for all. Jah love for all.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Deep within the hills so green, Jah garden bloom, the sacred scene. Tree of life and river clear. Voice of Zion always near. Every fruit a healing song. Feed the children, make them strong. Babylon hunger can't survive. Jah garden keep we all alive. Morning dew upon the ground. Song of birds, the holy sound. Elder sit and tell the tale. Jah garden truth will never fail. Every seed a word of love, falling down from skies above. Hands of children dig the soil. Heart of Zion bless the toil. Jah garden never living free. Place of love and harmony. Come together all mankind. Jah garden heal the heart and mind. No more sorrow, no more fight. Garden shine with Jah light. Youth man plant and elder reap. promise Jah forever keep. No more hunger, no more war. Jah garden open door from creation till the end. Jah garden bless again. River flow and tree them sway. Children laugh and chant all day. Lion roam but harm no one. In Jah garden under sun. Every nation, tongue and creed find together what them need. No division, no more pain. Jah garden rule again. Plant the seed, let it grow. Jah garden love overflow. Roots so strong, leaves so tall. Jah garden feed us all. Jah garden never living free. Place of love and harmony. Come together, all mankind. Jah garden heal the heart and mind. Forever shining lush and true. Jah garden open for me and you.